Geese, with their iconic honks and distinctive V-shaped flight patterns, are fascinating creatures that have graced our skies and farms for centuries. Let's delve into the world of these waterfowl, exploring their unique characteristics, the science behind their behaviors, and their practical and cultural applications. Geese belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes ducks, swans, and others. They have webbed feet, a flattened bill, and a distinct neck, making them well adapted for swimming and diving in search of food like aquatic plants and small invertebrates. Their migratory behavior is one of the most remarkable aspects of geese. Many species travel thousands of miles each year, following the changing seasons. This incredible journey is guided by an innate sense of direction and the ability to read the Earth's magnetic fields. Geese are monogamous birds, forming strong pair bonds during the breeding season. They lay their eggs in nests they build themselves, often in the open, away from predators. The gosling chicks are precocial, meaning they are born with their eyes open and can follow their mother shortly after hatching. One of the most intriguing aspects of geese is their honking communication. Geese use a variety of honks to express different emotions, from greetings to warnings. This vocalization is particularly notable during migratory flights, with the entire flock honking in unison to coordinate their movements and stay together. In terms of practical applications, geese have been domesticated for thousands of years for their meat, eggs, and feathers. Their large size and lean meat make them a valuable source of food, while their down feathers are prized for their insulating properties. Culturally, geese have played significant roles in various societies. In ancient Greece, the goose was a symbol of faithfulness, while in Norse mythology, the goose was associated with the goddess Freya. In modern times, the image of a goose is often used to symbolize productivity and determination, as shown in the famous Aesop's fable, The Goose That Laid the Golden Eggs. In conclusion, geese are remarkable creatures, possessing unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in various environments. Their migration, communication, and social behaviors continue to fascinate scientists and laypeople alike, while their practical and cultural significance has endured for millennia. So, the next time you hear a goose honking in the sky, take a moment to appreciate the wonder and history of these fascinating birds.